All right, so here's the job we were doing. We started with this planter bed here. This all get raised. And then we did this small foot wall and then a planter bed right there as well. And then next we're gonna be starting where you can see the pile of stone over there. We'll be doing that next Wednesday, it looks like. Show you guys this one real quick. You can see the pink line right here. That's gonna be the level. This orange will be the stone. We already got some stone in there, so it'll go around the back, come around here, and then go around that bush. Just a foot wall right there though, not a planter bed. So it ends right there. So this is the one we'll start next week. There's the ones we just finished. That guy and that guy there. Contact us today for your free quote, 512-822-8387.